Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix iMessage pictures not showing downloading on iPhone in iOS 16.6 beta 3. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Refresh message on iCloud. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap Apple ID name. Tap iCloud. Tap on Show All. Tap Message. Turn off Sync this iPhone. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Solution number 2. Sign out iMessage and sign in back. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Message. Tap Send and Received. Tap Apple ID. Sign out Apple ID and sign in back. Solution number 3. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. Scroll down, tap Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap Reset network setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 4. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slider to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Thanks for watching this video.